All right, so jumping straight into step number one, which is that you need to head over to the main Amazon website. And the reason for this is that you're going to create an Amazon Associates account. So you're going to be able to go to either Amazon.com if you're based in America, Amazon.co.uk if you're based in the UK, so on and so forth. Then what you're going to do is scroll down to the bottom just like this. Then you should see this section that says make money with us, and there should be a link under that that says become an affiliate. So once you click into it just like this is a similar page to what you're going to see. Now, once you click on sign up, it's then going to ask you to log into your Amazon account, and it's going to take you through various different questions. Like, for example, where exactly do you plan on promoting all of your different Amazon links? Do you have any social media platforms? And just various other questions that they're going to need to ask you when it comes to creating your account. So for now, I'm just going to put one of my websites in this section, click on add, and then go over to the next step. And once you do finish answering all of these similar questions that you can see on the screen right now, it's going to be a straightforward process of you being able to log into your dashboard, where you're then going to be able to get all of your different affiliate links that you're going to be able to start sending out. But this is just a quick process that I wanted to show you. But now that you're aware of it, the most important thing that you're going to need to do is obviously create your YouTube channel. Now, when it comes to creating a YouTube channel, again, this is a very straightforward process. All you're going to need is a Gmail email address, and then from there, you're going to be able to go over to youtube.com and create your YouTube account. But when it comes to actually creating your YouTube channel, in terms of branding it, in terms of the name that you're going to pick, and just the general way that you're going to structure things, I would advise that you look at a channel that you're looking to replicate. So let's say, for example, if you did want to do something similar to this, where you're going to review various different tech items that are available on Amazon, and you wanted to replicate how they've done things in terms of the ways that they have designed their thumbnails, in terms of the ways that they have made their videos. At this point, all you're going to need to do is just spend time studying exactly how they've done things, and then from there you can now move over to the actual step of creating the logo for your channel, creating the actual banner for your channel, coming up with a good name for your channel, and then start the process of actually making your first official video. But when it comes to this whole concept of replicating exactly what a successful channel is doing, you don't want to outright copy the entire video, but what you want to do is use them as inspiration. Like, for example, if I take a look at some of their recent videos, I can see that their viewers seem to be really interested whenever they make a video about the best selling cameras. So there's this one over here that seemed to have got decent views. There's also this one over here that seemed to have done really well as well. And just generally speaking, if I go to their most popular videos, we can see that one of their most popular videos that they've ever made is the top 5 cameras that people are buying. So for the purposes of today's video, I'm going to walk you through everything that I'll personally do when it comes to making a video just like this, where I'm going to show the audience the top selling cameras that people are buying right now on Amazon. And I'm also going to show you everything you need to know when it comes to doing the correct research to make sure that you're putting accurate products in the video that you're trying to make. So the initial step for this entire process is that you need to head over to Amazon and figure out exactly which items people are buying the most. Now, what I personally like to do is use a tool called Helium 10, and I mainly use it when it comes to finding winning products that I may want to sell on Amazon, but you can also use it when it comes to doing research to make sure that you're promoting the best possible products when you're trying to make money online with Amazon affiliate marketing. So once you've signed up for Helium 10 account, which you could do by clicking the discounted link in my description, you then need to go over to the Amazon homepage and type in the keyword for the item that you're looking to make a video on, which is going to be camera in this case. Then what you need to do is click on the Helium 10 Google Chrome extension tool, and you should see this section over here that says X-ray Amazon product research. So once you click on this option, you're then going to be given all of this useful information when it comes to which cameras people have bought the most in the last 30 days. So one of the first things that I like to do is come over here to where it says filter results. Then what I like to do is change the retail price to, let's say, 100 to around 500. Now, of course, this is only as an example. You can set whatever retail price that you want, but just to make this video easy to understand, I'm going to leave it as that and then click on apply filters. Then what I'm going to do is sort the cells from highest to lowest, and right there, as you can see, I've now got all of this information when it comes to the cameras that people are buying the most, and I'm also able to see which one has the highest ratings, which one is receiving a lot of reviews on a consistent basis, and it's just going to help me figure out which type of products people are buying the most. So now that I have an idea of all of these popular cameras, what I'm going to do is just export this data to a CSV file, and then the information is going to look like this. Then what I'm going to do is copy the top 5 cameras just like that, and then I'm going to head over to a Word document. Then I'm going to paste it in there just like this. And then it's going to be a simple case of me just cleaning up all of this information so that it's a little bit more presentable, because it's going to make things a lot more easier when I now move over to the next step. All right, perfect. So the information is now easily readable, but what I need to do from this point is head over to ChatGPT, which is an AI bot that's going to help me come up with the actual script for the video, and then I'm going to move over to the next step. But before I can do that, I'm just going to paste a quick introductory section at the top over here that says, I am working on a faceless YouTube video for the top 5 Amazon cameras. Can you make a script for a 6-minute video using the following cameras? So I'm just going to copy this information just like this. Then I'm going to go over to ChatGPT and just paste it in there just like this. And just like that, it's coming up with a full script that I'm going to be able to use when it comes to using various different AI technologies to produce the final edited video for me. And one of the tools that I like to use when it comes to helping me with this particular stage is InVideo, because they've got this section over here that's called AI text to video, that once you click into it just like this, you're going to be able to select whichever template that you want to use. So I'm going to click on this one over here. Then I'm going to click on the landscape option and click on use template. And then it's going to be a simple case of me just pasting the information from ChatGPT over into InVideo for it to now start producing the final bit of content that I'm going to be able to upload to my YouTube channel. And to show you a quick example as to how this works, I'm just going to copy all of this information just like this, head back over here and paste it in there just like that. Then I'm going to click on create scenes, and within a few minutes it's now been able to come back with the first draft that of course I'm going to be able to make any necessary changes that I want to. But from this you can now kind of get an idea as to how this entire process works. Now most of you are probably thinking to yourself, but Sam, how exactly am I going to get the content when it comes to the types of products that I'm going to be reviewing in the video? How am I going to show the exact same products? Well, there's so many different ways that you can do it, but one of the ways that you can do it is by actually downloading the video on the product page for the products that you're reviewing. Like for example, this is one of the cameras that we're going to be showcasing in the video, and we're going to be able to use all of these different pieces of content, whether it's the images or even if it's this video over here. Now, one thing that a lot of affiliate marketers that want to make money from Amazon get stuck on is how exactly are you going to be able to download this video and put it into your video editing software? And the way that you're going to be able to do that successfully is by downloading a specific Google Chrome extension tool. So once you go over to the Chrome web store and you come over to this search bar, you're going to type in video downloader, click on enter. Then what you need to do is install this one over here. And then once you have installed it and you've clicked on it and you're on the product page for the video that you're looking to download, you're gonna select it just like this. From there, once you have successfully downloaded it, you're then going to be able to drag it into any editing software that you're using. But of course, we're using InVideo in this case. So I'm just going to simply drag it just like this and put it in here. You're then going to be able to drag the clip into your timeline and chop it up and use it in any way that you want to. Whatever scene that you want to use, you're going to be able to use it in any way, shape or form. But of course, I just gave you guys a general overview of exactly how you can use this tool. If you want to see me make a more detailed video showing you every single step that goes into this entire process from start to finish to make a fully edited video, then put in the comments down below, do the Amazon video, and I'll get onto that ASAP. But in the meantime, if you did want to sign up to them for a completely free account so that you can start the process of making your own videos and just see exactly how you're going to be able to do it yourself, then you're going to be able to sign up to them again for completely free by clicking the link in my description. Now, if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to press the like button. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe as well and hit the bell notification. And if you want to sign up to a completely free email newsletter where twice a week, I'm going to send you an email when it comes to helping you understand the complicated world of making money online, whether it's an email about doing Amazon affiliate marketing, whether it's an email about drop shipping, even doing Amazon FBA, whatever the case is, you're going to receive an email from myself personally to help you on your online business journey. So don't forget that you're going to be able to sign up to that by clicking the first link in my description. And if you also want to watch another YouTube video that I made recently where I break down a lot more information that you need to know when it comes to making the most money possible with the Amazon Associates program, then you're going to be able to watch that video by clicking the link right there. Make sure you check that out straight after this one because it's already helped out over 100,000 people, and I'm sure that it's going to help you out too. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.